Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you through the process of integrating BoldSign with Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox for automatic backup of your completed documents. In BoldSign, users can integrate the platform with backup applications such as Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox to ensure efficient storage and easy access to completed documents. This integration automatically uploads finalized documents to a designated folder, providing secure, organized storage and backup in the cloud. Only account administrators can set up Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox for automatic backup of completed documents. Note that this integration feature is available only for paid subscription users. Let's discuss a use case. Consider a legal firm adopting BoldSign for digital signatures and needing a streamlined solution for secure document storage. The organization's admin integrates BoldSign with a cloud backup service, ensuring that all signed documents are automatically stored in organized folders in the cloud. Let me demonstrate how the organization admin would integrate BoldSign with such a cloud backup application. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the Settings menu and select the Integration option. This action directs me to the Integration page, where all the integration applications are displayed. There are 3 cloud backup applications available for integrating with BoldSign: Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. In this case, I will integrate with Google Drive for automatic document backup. To do this, I locate the Google Drive card and click Connect. I am redirected to a Google sign-in page, where a list of available Google accounts is displayed. I sign in with a Google account I want to use for cloud backups. Next, Google requests permission to authorize BoldSign to access my Google Drive. I am notified that by continuing, Google will share my name, email address, language preference, and profile picture with BoldSign. I click Continue to grant this access. The next dialog requests additional permissions for BoldSign to access my Google account. I can review the services BoldSign currently has access to by clicking the link. The Access dialog lists the permissions BoldSign has, and I can view their details by clicking the corresponding drop-down menus. I can also remove any access if needed. I proceed by clicking Continue. Once authorized, I am redirected back to the BoldSign application with a configuration dialog. Here I need to confirm the root folder in Google Drive, where completed and audit trail documents will be stored. To include the audit trail, I select the Include Audit Trail checkbox. By default, BoldSign will create a root folder named BoldSign, which I can rename if desired. Since I want to use the default root folder, I click Save. The integration with Google Drive is now successful. From now on, when documents are completed by all recipients, copies of the completed documents and their audit trails will be stored in Google Drive. When a document is sent or received, folders for sent and received documents are created under the Team folder. These folders store completed documents after all signers have signed. When a bulk link or a bulk send is completed, a separate folder is created with the bulk link or bulk send title, and the documents are uploaded in their respective formats. Only the organization admin can set up the integration and grant view permissions to team admins or members as needed. When renaming a team, a new folder is created in Google Drive, and documents can be moved from the outdated team folder to the new one for continued syncing. The integration process for other backup applications like Dropbox and OneDrive is very similar to that of Google Drive, with only slight differences in permission granting. That summarizes how to integrate BoldSign with Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive for cloud backup. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.